President Akufo-Addo said I should come out clearly on Galamsey. It looks like he doesn't live in this country because I've commented on Galamsey over and over again. The Ministry of Energy and Natural Resources gave political leaders the platform to outline their policy on small-scale mining. And for a whole hour, I outlined our policy. After that, there was questions and answers for 2 hours. We were there for 3 hours. So he should just tell his Flagstaff House media to get him the tape of what I said at the Ministry of Energy and Natural Resources. Nana Akufo-Addo was asking me why I'm refusing to debate Bawumia. You know, Bawumia doesn't deserve a debate. He is losing this election. I will not elevate him to my level and go and sit and debate him. Their campaign is failing. They have no message. And so he wants to be elevated to my level. No. I know my level.
Abusiamo akwaba e de back to Madrid so meso se ene de kan woni me edi share subscribe ma page na fi mi adoma so sa no upload bia ba unsa ebetimi aka na abusia after say mampani Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo e ba bonten e be frɛ Mahama e tre ne se Galamsey nsensemi a ekosu e hefa pa no dina na why no ho se oyimuturu modwo no ase okwata ase wo baadwa na anu ohu ne obeka ya ache se eko Nana Addo tre se wo kutia Galamsey ne nyina entimi ambaso ne nyina no wo tre se efiri mampani da John Dramani Mahama esa ensem bi okọ Galamsey site eko ka kire Galamsey yes no se mo ha omo to aba no fama NDC na se wo mo ba omo be hye se Galamsey na wo mutu no mbeko so atu empo wo mo matu no kwan bone so ma aban no achi wo mo di wo masem de makwakoto ase ne bia no Mahama kire se wo ba obeyi wo mo san nsem ni nsem a ye mampani Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo kire se Mahama kan ya enunti no senka ye po bi obeka Galamsey asem de anka enwo se Mahama mum na eba ebeka bi because oni sa moral right no se wode beka Galamsey nsensem no eno ena mampani dada John Dramani Mahama ate ena se o nana ena omen ase wunim se wo mu so a ena gidi se wada enti se wada de ena mpipifo mu nya na wontie onyi na so mu na wontie se me mampani dada John Dramani Mahama me nhihya ya me de egu akwan mu efa Galamsey hu no wante hwe kwati ni asofo no se ko hye na oni oman mu wante nsem a me de tuudwa abusuya sei ena mampani dada John Dramani Mahama e ka ne nsem no esifai.
President Akufo-Addo said I should come out clearly on Galamsey. It looks like he doesn't live in this country because I've commented on Galamsey over and over again. The Ministry of Energy and Natural Resources gave political leaders the platform to outline their policy on small-scale mining. And for a whole hour, I outlined our policy. After that, there was questions and answers for 2 hours. We were there for 3 hours. So he should just tell his Flagstaff House media to get him the tape of what I said at the Ministry of Energy and Natural Resources. Recently, when I met the clergymen, the Christian community, a part of my speech and the questions and answers was again on Galamsey and small-scale mining. And so, I mean, there's a lot that I've said. It is his responsibility. The people of Ghana elected him. He is currently the president of Ghana. And it is his responsibility to deal with Galamsey now. I know that after 7 January 2025, when Ghanaians have voted for me, I will take that responsibility and we will sort out illegal mining. He also asked me to come out clearly on my policy on free SHS. Again, he's not in this country or he has been sleeping, because I have made it clear that there are implementational problems with the free SHS. 1, there's no dedicated funding. 2, parents are not happy with the double track. 3, the quality of food the children are giving is not good. And so I've said that NDC is going to come and fix these 3 things. 1, we're going to corral part of our oil revenues into a dedicated fund. And that fund will be used to finance the free SHS. That's number 1. Number 2, We're going to fast-track the completion of our educational infrastructure so that we can ease the congestion in the schools, employ more teachers, and allow all our children to go to school at the same time instead of going on a traffic light. And Nana Akufo-Addo, 3, I said I'll change your centralized feeding system. I'm going to decentralize the feeding of our children in secondary school. The money is going to go directly to their schools, and their schools will be responsible for procuring the food to feed the children in order that the food will be better quality. If you are listening to me, that is our position on free SHS.
Abusianya no kwa mampinde da John Dramani Mahama e ka we ewie na wo kyerese watete ededa MPP fo na no ededa omwa no e keka se an e na ono wosuro e na Bawumia friend debate kwa wanko e na odi hwe koka no se hwan me pobini na debate na nya Dr. Muhammad Bawumia because Mahama e kyerese se ono be bia ne dibere duru no Bawumia so hu se aba no o wie no eno na wo po obi de ne wi akwa akwhye no ntina wo ba be friend se omra me enye debate Mahama e kyerese se oni obi de se Dr. Muhammad Bawumia e kokojina simpie so mo kototo mo ho ano a debate won nsem bi ho a na wa pagya Bawumia dodo asa na wa ma ne soro dodo on ha ne ho obi ono wa wie mu wo se Bawumia wo debate bi ye o obi ni wo anobaba ye bi ye o obi ni wo nsem bi ho empapamu ana se nsem bi ho abobodi a onko teacher for na atro akọ school na wie na babet na fie a lanjeza exams nti yentini posti wo mu no wo mo sankrofo no e na wo se Muhammad Bawumia wo kọ no nyom ko debate na wo kyerɛ me kwan obefa so a wo de be posti wo na nya ono mampeni da John Dramani Mahama.
Nana Akufo-Addo was asking me why I'm refusing to debate Bawumia. You know, Bawumia doesn't deserve a debate. He is losing this election. I will not elevate him to my level and go and sit and debate him. Their campaign is failing. They have no message. And so he wants to be elevated to my level. No. I know my level. You see, in 2012, I was sworn in as president, and I went into that election as the sitting president. They called for a debate. I made myself available. I debated Nana Akufo-Addo. In 2016, I was the sitting president. IEA organized the debate. I made myself available. Nana Akufo-Addo refused to take part in the debate. In 2020, he was the sitting president. He refused to take part in a debate. But the one who responded to me when we made the call for the debate is the current flag bearer of the NPP who is asking me for a debate. Has he forgotten what he said? That I should go to Sangma and go and debate the farmers of Sangma who don't have fertilizer. That I should go to Abosokai and go and debate the spare parts people who cannot buy dollar because dollar is 3 point something to 3 cedis point something to the dollar. He said I should go and debate the taxi drivers and the drivers who cannot buy petrol. This is the same Bawumia today asking me for a debate. As for him, the people he will debate are many. He should debate the nurses who are sitting at home who have not been posted. He should go and debate the teachers who are home who have not been posted and debate them about their licensure exams. He should go and debate the fishermen who cannot get premix and they have to go and buy premix from hairdressing salons. He should go and debate the unemployed youth who have finished school 4 years ago and to date cannot find work. Has he forgotten? That is what he told me. So today, why do you want to debate me? All the people you said I should go and debate, their situation is worse now than it was in 2016.
Kintabusia mampinda da John Dramani Mahama ena o che Bawumia se waso na fufra ompa bebre Rebecca no de onye ne level kra a we ba friend say omra na omra ememe debate ebusia ma ye hu so comment e wo video ya se afi wa wie ne sa no na we mi subscribe button no so e de ama me e too much na afi wo de bell no aka ho sa no upload bi aba one first person na ho sa ebetimi aka all the social media handles no so ukoha ho nyina no too much GH. I also like it. Now share for me, my crowd.
Prophet Dr. Abednego has once again demonstrated the power of God following divine guidance. He established the world first spiritual hospital, Rabboni Spiritual Research and Divine Medical Laboratory. Now, God has directed him to create the Prophet Dr. Abednego Invisible Teaching Hospital, powered by Castoplanto technology. This unique institution will reveal spiritual realities and help you understand the unseen battles affecting your life. Prophet Dr. Abednego Invisible Teaching Hospital is here to uncover and address all spiritual obstacles. Please call us 0208 599 576.